Hello everyone, welcome back to Zero to Hero Data Analytics Series. I am Jaisa, currently pursuing IT, and today we will talk about data analysis. Let's get started. What is data analysis? In simple word, data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleaning, transformation, and modeling data to discover useful information, draw conclusion, and support decision making. Data analysis help organization gain insight from their data and make better decisions. Why is data analysis important? Data analysis is very important because it helps businesses understanding their performance, identify trends and make information decision. Whether it is improving customer satisfaction, increase sales or optimizing operation, data analysis plays a crucial role. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you run a small online store. You have data on sales, customer, and product. By analyzing this data, you can find out which product are selling the most, who your best customer are, and which marketing strategy are working best. This information helps you to make decisions like which product to store more, how to target your best customer, and where to spend your market budget. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल क्रिकेट आप क्रिकेट मैच का देखते हैं जब आप लाइव मैच देखते हो तो डेटा एनालिस्ट कंटिन्यूसली प्लेयर परफॉर्मेंस पिच कंडीशन और मैच स्टैटिस्टिक को एनालाइज करता है ये डेटा उन्हें हेल्प करता है मेक रियल टाइम डिसीजन जैसे कि कौन सा बॉलर नेक्स्ट ओवर डालेगा फील्डिंग पोजीशन क्या होगी और इवन प्रिडिक्ट करना कि टारगेट को स्कोर क्या हो सकता है इस तरह से टीम अपनी स्ट्रेटजी को एडजस्ट करते हैं और मैक्सिमाइज करते हैं विनिंग चांसेस को ये सब कुछ डेटा एनालिसिस का कमाल है टू बिकम अ गुड डेटा एनालिसिस you need some key skill. There includes Excel to organize and analyze data, SQL or SQL to manage and query database, Python for advanced data manipulation and analysis, and fourth, visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI to create visual representation of data. To summarize, data analysis means understanding data and extracting insight to help businesses make better decisions. In today's data-driven world, this is a valuable skill that opens up many career opportunities. In this next video, we will discuss each skill and tools in detail that you need to become a successful data analyst. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. In the next video, we will start with basic of Excel for data analysis. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.